Yamaha YZF-R3, a perfect blend of performance and practicality. The Yamaha YZF-R3, often simply called the R3, is a standout in the entry-level sport bike category, offering a compelling mix of sporty aesthetics, refined performance, and everyday usability. Designed to appeal to both novice riders and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a lightweight, nimble machine, the R3 encapsulates Yamaha's racing DNA in a beginner-friendly package. From its sharp design inspired by MotoGP machines to its smooth twin-cylinder engine, the R3 is a versatile machine built for commuting, weekend rides, and even occasional track days. Design and styling. The first thing that catches the eye is the striking design of the Yamaha R3. Drawing inspiration from Yamaha's flagship Supersport models like the YZF-R1 and YZF-R6, the R3 features aggressive styling that enhances its visual appeal and aerodynamic efficiency. The twin LED headlights and central air intake give the front a sharp, race-ready look. The fairing is sculpted for optimal wind deflection, making highway cruising more comfortable and stable. The compact tail section and sleek bodywork add to its Supersport character, while the full fairing not only looks premium but also improves the bike's high-speed stability. The low-profile fuel tank and ergonomic design enable the rider to easily grip the bike with their knees, aiding control during spirited riding or cornering. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R3 lies a 321 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that delivers a perfect balance between performance and rideability. With a power output of around 42 horsepower at 10,750 RPM and 29.5 Newton-meters of torque at 9,000 RPM, the R3 offers brisk acceleration and a linear power delivery. This makes it ideal for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes while still offering enough punch to entertain more experienced motorcyclists. The twin-cylinder configuration ensures smoothness at high revs, while the lightweight construction allows for nimble handling in city traffic. The 6-speed gearbox is slick and precise, complemented by a light-action clutch that makes city commuting and long rides stress-free. Whether you're cruising on open roads or tackling twisty mountain passes, the R3's engine delivers a confident and thrilling experience without overwhelming the rider. Chassis and handling. The Yamaha R3 features a diamond-type steel frame that offers a strong yet lightweight foundation. Weighing just around 169 kilograms wet, the bike feels incredibly agile and responsive. The 50-50 weight distribution enhances balance, allowing riders to confidently lean into corners or maneuver through urban traffic with ease. One of the most significant upgrades in recent iterations of the R3 is the inclusion of inverted KYB front forks. These provide excellent front-end feedback and superior damping characteristics, making the R3 feel planted and predictable through bends. Technology and features. Although the Yamaha R3 is positioned as an entry-level sport bike, it doesn't skimp on features. The digital LCD instrument cluster is crisp and informative, displaying speed, RPM, gear position, fuel economy, and more. The LED lighting system, including LED indicators in some markets, not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern touch to the bike's overall appeal. ABS, anti-lock braking system, comes standard, significantly improving safety during sudden stops or slippery conditions. The ergonomics are thoughtfully designed, with a comfortable 780mm seat height that accommodates a wide range of riders, and slightly raised clip-on handlebars that strike a balance between aggressive posture and everyday comfort. Comfort and everyday usability. While the Yamaha R3 proudly wears the R badge, it remains remarkably approachable. The upright ergonomics, smooth throttle response, and relatively soft seat padding make it practical for daily commuting and longer weekend rides alike. The suspension setup, while sporty, absorbs bumps well enough to handle rough city roads without jarring the rider. The lightweight clutch and precise gearbox make gear changes smooth even in stop-and-go traffic. The bike's fuel efficiency, averaging around 25 to 28 km/L depending on riding style, makes it economical to run, and the 14-liter fuel tank provides good range for longer journeys. Who should buy the Yamaha R3? The Yamaha YZF-R3 is the perfect motorcycle for riders seeking their first sport bike without compromising on quality, design, or performance. It's also a great option for experienced riders who want a lightweight, reliable, and fun machine for city rides, weekend getaways, or occasional track time.